Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Protect AI, a platform built to secure AI systems from threats, vulnerabilities, and data risks. But the big question is, does it actually deliver on its promise? We've spent time testing out Protect AI across various environments, from small scale AI models to more complex machine learning pipelines. We wanted to see if it's just buzzwords or real protection. Here's what we found. Protect AI offers strong visibility across your ML lifestyle. It identifies risks like insecure datasets, shadow models, and policy breaches. Integration with common tools was surprisingly smooth. But it's not flawless. We did run into a learning curve. Especially if you're new to AI security, some features also feel tailored more for enterprise use than small teams or solo developers. Overall, Protect AI seems genuinely built for today's AI challenges. It's powerful, but best suited for teams that are already scaling or handling sensitive data in production. So, is it worth it? If AI security is a serious priority for your team, then yes, Protect AI is a solid contender. But if you're just starting out, you might want to explore similar tools first. Have you tried Protect AI yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.